Today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download World Administrative Boundary using QGIS. Okay, so when you open the Qgis interface, okay, here is the canvas of the Qgis. So you come over to where we have coordinate. I will click on Ctrl A to highlight the coordinate. Okay, so I will delete the coordinate and write world. Okay, after doing that, I will click on enter key. Okay, so you can see the world administrative boundary. Okay, okay, so I'm going to import. I'm going to save the world administrative boundary, so I will export it. I will right click on it and come over to export, then save as, save feature as. Okay, you right click on it. Okay, this window will pop up. Then the file name, I will make it to be world shapefile. Okay, then the CRS, I will leave it to be at WGS 1984 because it is world administrative boundary. Okay, after doing that, I will navigate to where I want to save the world administrative boundary shapefile. Okay, so I will give it a name. Okay, after doing that, I will click on save. I will click on OK again. Okay, you can see that our shapefile has been exported successfully. So you can see it in the table of contents. Okay, so I will right click on it and then go to properties to change the symbology, to work on the symbology. Okay, I will make sure that I classify it. Okay, so here is our world administrative boundary. Okay, you can see so many countries and different continents. Okay, you can also visualize the data in any other GIS software like the Qgis. I will launch to my Qgis. Okay, we come over to add data. Okay, so I will navigate to where I have the data and see what shapefile. Okay, so here is my data. Let's go back to Qgis. I will right click on the world shapefile, then open attribute table in order to view the countries. Okay, so you can choose to sort it. Okay, okay, so here is all the countries. You can see that the total country is 240. Okay, so in essence, this is how to download world shapefile in Qgis. Thank you very much for watching.